We now have our flowers on our ball and they look like they belong there, but we have to get rid of the flower parts that are outside of the ball. To do that, we're going to go back to our Layers tab, and we're going to go down to the bottom, and the second or third icon over is Add Layer Mask, and so we want to mask everything that is not the flowers so we can't change the ball layer. I click on that, you notice we now have a mask layer here next to the flowers. I want to come over to my foreground color and click there, and the foreground color I want is black, and you can see mine is black right now. You might have to change yours. The hex value for black is 6 zeros. So you click on OK, and we're now ready to proceed. Now we're going to have to do some changing here because this is pretty small. If you choose your magnifying tool and increase this to 300%, it'll make it easier for you to do this final task, which is getting rid of the stuff outside of the ball itself. I'm going to go up and I'm going to choose my eraser tool, and what I need is up here at the top there's brush size. What I want is 13 pixel hard, okay, which is this first one here, round hard 13 pixel. So I select that, and I can now come down, and as I erase, I click and drag. You'll see I'm only erasing the flower part, and once again this just takes a steady hand with the mouse as I go around here. Remember, if you make a mistake you can always come back and undo your mistake up in the edit menu and take a step backwards or multiple steps backwards if you need to. And you can see I kind of went into the ball there, so I'm going to come back up here and do undo erasure, and it puts that back in, and I can be a little more careful this time. And once again, this just takes a little practice, and it helps to have a steady hand. The other thing that would make this easier is if you had a graphics tablet and you could use a pen on a graphics tablet.